Hey everybody, I totally forgot something that I was going to go over on the 10 at 10. So I wanted to jump on it real quick and just go through a couple of different post types. I felt like this would also be beneficial as kind of a shorter video anyways, so I'm going to just jump on real quick. Let's see here. So figured the best way to do this would be to just show you guys the different post types. So um, I've talked a little bit about how people like to interact with posts that they specifically kind of lean towards. So if someone likes pictures, or someone likes live videos, or someone likes GIFs, or whatever it may be, then they're going to be more likely to see that type of post in the future. So when you're going to make a new post, you just go right up here where you're going to be typing kind of the what's on your mind section. This is where you do those backgrounds. So if you didn't know how to do that, now you do. It shows up on a mobile device as well. It goes up to a certain number of characters, so you might have to do a shorter post. So if you're doing something that's just a text post, or something that is going to be a little bit more boring of a post, or whatever it may be, you can add this background to kind of create a little bit more of interaction, or a little bit more of an engaging kind of format for you. Obviously, there's the photo and video, which is the easiest type. There's also feelings and activities, where you can go and you can select different things. This definitely gives more algorithmic weight. You might notice that when you log in, the very first thing that you might see at the very top is going to be someone saying that they have like a specific feeling, whatever it may be, excited or something like that. That adds additional algorithmic weight. You can add GIFs, so you can do a search for something that's relevant to what you are posting about and have an image, a built-in image there. Asking for recommendations is something that has always been what Facebook is all about. Facebook actually has made it clear that they want their search function and they want their page to actually compete with Google. So rather than people asking Google questions, they want people asking Facebook questions. So you can add the location, you can ask different things about, like, restaurants, food, clothing, whatever it may be, whatever you're into, and that will help as well. Another thing, checking in. So if you're at a restaurant, if you're at an actual physical location, Facebook loves it for you to check in, because that helps them with their kind of whole MO of wanting to help local businesses and local areas to get more recognition. You can tag friends and tag additional people. That will actually just make it so that your post will show up on their wall as well. This is a great way if you're doing like an It's in the Mail post, so you've got a bunch of different customers and people that want to use, or are excited to use your product. Tag them in that post and say, hey, your orders are on the way. That's going to show people that and their friends that they actually made a purchase from you, and that's going to have people go back, research your page, and so forth. The one that actually kind of sparked my reminder that I was supposed to go over this on the call is the sticker. I used this just yesterday. It's very similar to searching for a different GIF or something that you may be looking for. You can just type in, you can use one of the generic ones that are here selected for you, or if you do like excited, or celebrating, or whatever it may be. And then you can find a sticker. This also adds algorithmic weight. It's very similar to using like this function with the different backgrounds. You could add a sticker and say, working. I actually use this exact one right there. You can add that and then type something out. That it's going to be better than just a text post. It's going to be something that is going to have a little bit more of an algorithmic weight because of that. Answering questions is pretty new. You may have seen a few people that are doing this. It just generates a generic question. You can add an answer. So the longest I've been on a plane, and then you can say the longest I've been on a plane is, it's Thailand, it was 22 hours or something like that. And that's going to get people interacting and commenting on that post as well. And I've seen, whenever I log into Facebook, a lot of these questions, stickers, things that have like an additional kind of nonprofit or something like that, which you can actually do as well. There's a list of nonprofits that are there, and you can also tag events. A lot of these things are going to just add to the value according to the algorithm of your post. So that's it, real quick, kind of just a breakdown of all the different things. Other ones that are more common are just the ones that are right up here across the top, which are you just asking a question, doing a live video, or sharing a photo or a video. So that's it. If you have questions on this, feel free to comment down below. Sorry for having to go live twice. It's kind of like you're getting a double 10 at 10 tonight. But thanks everybody for being on, and we'll see you.